Well, that changed the look of that. It's all still there, but in much smaller pieces. Now I'll just blow it all back up into one area. Man was pretty happy with that. When he's happy, it makes me happy. Even though it's very hard work, when the person you work for is grateful and a good bloke, it makes it all worthwhile. You get money either way, but gee, it's good when they appreciate when you work up a sweat. It means a lot. I'm doing a flyby now. I could go home the other way, but I'm going to go this way so I can do a flyby, make sure I haven't left too much mess on the road. There she is. Oh yeah, where the hedge is there. And I'm going to zoom through the mess on the road. Because that just gets it off the road a bit. Blowing it all off the road when you're right out in the country, because the wind gets it. And when it blew half back on, but half still probably on the road. Anyway, heading home. Sweltering heat. Just whip snipped. Now I'm going to mow and catch the grass because the dandelions are spreading. So, good time to catch it. So I'll get to it.